In this video, you'll learn how to create and sell store credit-based gift cards in your WooCommerce store using the Smart Coupons for WooCommerce plugin. We'll set up the gift card product, configure purchase options, add templates, and see how customers redeem them. First, make sure you have the Smart Coupons for WooCommerce plugin installed and activated on your WordPress site. To begin, we'll create a regular product that customers will purchase as a gift card. Go to Products, add New, give it a name such as Gift Card. Scroll to the Product Data section and set it as a simple virtual product. Leave the price fields completely blank. Upload a product image representing your gift card. Then click Publish. This product will be linked to your store credit system in the next steps. Next, let's set up the gift card design templates that customers can choose from during purchase. Go to Smart Coupons, Store Credit, Gift Card Templates. Here, enable Use Templates for store credit. You can also enable display templates by category to organize designs under groups like birthday, Christmas, or wedding. Customers will see these templates on the product page when selecting a design for their gift card. Now we will link the product you created earlier. Under the General Settings tab, look for Associate A product and select your gift card product from the dropdown. Next, choose how customers should buy store credit. Under Credit Purchase Options, pick from Predefined Amounts, Custom amounts where the customer enters any value, or both. For predefined options, enter the amount separated by commas, then set a minimum and maximum purchase amount. Below that, choose when to email the store credit, either when the order is processing or completed. You can also choose whether tax is applied before or after redeeming store credit. Finally, customize the gift card code format by adding prefixes, suffixes, and choosing a coupon code length. When everything looks good, click Save Changes. Now your gift card product is ready. On the product page, customers can pick a gift card design, choose the credit amount, enter the recipient's email, add a message and sender name, and schedule the delivery if needed. After checkout, the recipient receives an email with their gift card code and the selected amount. Recipients redeem the gift card just like any other coupon. They simply enter the code at checkout, and the store credit is applied to their order. If the balance exceeds the order total, they can use the remaining credit on future purchases. If you want your own designs, you can upload custom gift card templates. Go to Gift Card Templates and click Add New Template. Upload an image, choose a category, and set optional background colors. Click Add Template, and it will appear alongside your default designs. And that's how you set up and sell store credit gift cards in your WooCommerce store using Smart Coupons. If you'd like more videos on Smart Coupons features, check the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.